Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dr. Wu.
My name's Blaine Halverson.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth Paltrow. I'm the founder and CEO of Goop.com.
Hi, I'm Anina Bing from Los Angeles.
I'm Scott. And I'm Alex. We're the founders of Lone Wolves.
This is Aline. I'm the founder of NCLA.
This is Mike Amiri from Los Angeles.
Pound will be joining the Rive Gauche exhibition.
I'm Andrea from HTC Los Angeles.
Come join us at LA Rive Gauche.
Come hang out with me and Echo Deli, dining on some of the best California cuisine.
I hope you'll come discover my brand, Clairvy.
I'm so excited to share my collection with you at Le Bon Marché.
We are participating in Le Bon Marché's little LA store.
Come and discover all my collection at Le Bon Marché, Rive Gauche, Paris.
Let's share the LA vibe together.
I can't wait to introduce you all to my collection.
Come and meet me, check out my shirts.
Please come see all of our designs at Le Bon Marché.
Can't wait to rock out with you.
Please come by and see us.
I hope you'll get to bring home a little bit of California.
À bientôt à Paris.
LA Rive Gauche, baby.